Hello and welcome to Manchester Met Library. This video will introduce you to some of our key services and signpost further help and support. Use the QR codes to access help guides and videos or click on the relevant links when prompted. All students have a dedicated academic liaison librarian who is here to support you in your studies. We can help you with finding information for your assignments. We can explain how to evaluate the quality and accuracy of the information that you find, and we can help you to understand how to cite and reference information. Access your subject guide to contact your librarian. As a student at Manchester Met, your login provides access to over 1 million good quality academic sources of information which you will be expected to use in your assignments. E-books provide a good overview of a topic. Academic journals are like magazines containing articles, research and scholarly literature written by experts in the field. Depending on your course, you may also be using practitioner or industry journals. These are aimed at professionals working in a specific industry. Your tutors will create tailored reading lists for each of your modules, which you can access via Moodle, your virtual learning environment. Reading lists are a good place to start when researching for an assignment. Your Manchester Met login also provides access to resources specific to your area of study. Specialised databases provide access to current and historical newspapers, leading industry resources, TV streaming services, and more. Bookmark your subject guide to browse available databases for your subject area. Think of Library Search as an academic version of Google. You can use Library Search to access books and journal articles on a specific topic, or, like in this example, to search for a specific book. I am looking for the book Study Skills written by Stella Cottrell. You will see the book listed with a summary of the content and a link to access the e-book if available. You will also be able to see if the book is available in print. If you are searching for a book or article on a specific topic, use the filters on the left-hand side of the page to limit your results to a specific format or publication date. To access print books, use our Click and Collect service. Simply search for books on Library Search and then select Reserve Item if this option is available. You will need to sign in with your university username and password. When the reserved item is ready to collect, the status will change on the library system, and you will receive an email inviting you to collect the item. When you collect your books, you will need to issue them to your account using the checkout machines in the Click and Collect area. Books are issued to you for 2 weeks and will automatically renew unless another student has requested them and there are no other available copies. In this instance, you will receive an email to your university account asking you to return them. Return books using the returns machines outside of the Click and Collect area or at the drop-off point in the Brooks building. In addition to Library Search, you can also use Google Scholar to access journal articles and other scholarly literature. Use the Access at MMU Library links to see if the library provides full-text access to a specific article. If you are using Google Scholar on campus, Access at MMU Library will already be activated. To use Access at MMU Library with Google Scholar off campus, you will need to configure this yourself by following the instructions on screen or in the linked video. Library staff deliver a variety of workshops to support your learning. These include Cite Them Right Harvard referencing, getting the most out of Google Scholar, introduction to finding academic sources, and more. Workshops are delivered on campus and online and are open to students from all faculties. You can find out more about our workshops, as well as online tutorials, videos, and help guides, on the library's Research and Referencing Moodle page. These resources have been curated to guide you through the process of researching for your assignments. Start by looking at the Welcome to Your Library section. RISE at Manchester Met is a programme of self-directed tutorials and courses to help you to develop your skills, confidence and employability potential. Explore opportunities beyond your main subject to earn points and certifications and acquire new skills with self-study packs. The entrance to the library building is located on Oxford Road. The library provides 24/7 access to study spaces, and you will need to bring your ID card when you visit. You will find a variety of study spaces, bookable rooms, computer labs, an accessible study room, prayer and well-being spaces, kitchens and a cafe, and charging stations. Just ask library staff at the help desk if you have any queries whilst in the library building. All floors of the library are open from 9 a.m. until 11 p.m, whilst the ground and part of the first floor remain open 24/7. Vacation and weekend hours may differ, and you can check the library website for more details. You are welcome to use any faculty building on campus. Please note that these two buildings offer a room booking service. Simply use the space booking system if you wish to book a room in either the Dalton or Brooks buildings. We provide access to specialist software which is available on Apple Macs and PCs in the library and across campus, and our free laptop loan service enables you to borrow a laptop for 24 hours or 7 days at a time. You'll find printers throughout the university and the library. They can be used to photocopy, print and scan. Simply tap your student card to use any printer. You can credit your printing account via the MyMMU app. During your studies, it is important to take time out for your well-being. You can access Manchester Met's self-help guide. You may also want to use the library's fiction books, plays and graphic novels to read for pleasure. You can also watch films, performances and documentaries on services like Canopy, Drama Online, Digital Theatre and Boxer Broadcasts. Our cultural services include our special collections, full of historical resources with a focus on art, craft, design and architecture. The Manchester Poetry Library offers an extensive collection of contemporary poetry from books to recordings in multiple languages. Visit them in the Grosvenor building as they have an exciting programme of events. You can also visit the library's Northwest Film Archive at Manchester Central Library. The archive is home to the moving image heritage of the northwest of England, from the pioneer days of film right up to today. Follow us on social media to stay up to date with library services, find out about workshops and resources, and get involved in competitions and events. We are always here to help. You can visit the library help desk when on campus, email library@mmu.ac.uk, use our chat service, book a one-to-one appointment with your academic liaison librarian, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We look forward to meeting you.